judgment, the Supreme Court of India has recognized homemakers as nation builders and held that the unpaid domestic work they perform should be assigned a minimum national value of 30,000 rupees per month. The ruling was delivered on 11th June by a bench comprising Justices Sanjay, Karol and Kotiswar Singh. While hearing a motor accident compensation case from Punjab involving the death of a homemaker, Reshma, in the year 2001, the court enhanced the compensation payable to her family and ruled that the loss of domestic care provided by a homemaker should be treated as a separate head of damages in compensation claims. The bench observed that homemakers make an invaluable contribution to their families and to society at large, and that their work cannot be regarded as gratuitous or overlooked merely because it is unpaid. Stressing the significance of their role, the judges remarked that the homemaker builds the nation and noted that earning members of a family are often more dependent on homemakers than homemakers are on them. The Supreme Court further pointed out that unpaid caregiving and domestic work performed by women contributes an estimated 15 to 17% of India's GDP. Despite remaining largely unrecognized in economic calculations, the bench said that the term housewife and homemaker should in the future be understood in a manner that acknowledges women's contribution as nation builders. Referring to the views of renowned economist Cecil Pegu, the court noted that domestic work loses economic recognition simply because it is performed without wages, even though it creates substantial social and economic value. The case arose after Reshma's husband and 3 children sought compensation following her death in a road accident on November 25, 2001. The motor accident claims tribunal initially granted the family 2.42 lakh rupees in compensation. The Punjab and Haryana High Court later enhanced the amount to 8.43 lakh rupees along with 7.5% interest. The family subsequently approached the Supreme Court seeking a further enhancement of the compensation, leading to the landmark ruling. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.